Greetings, fun lovers. This is Patty, and I'm going to be posting a bunch of my videos on all types of things like cooking at campsite, van tripping, boat tripping, some of my business courses, boogie fever. So stay with me and have some fun, and be sure to subscribe. Hey, today we're going to make a really quick oil and vinegar vinaigrette or salad dressing. Put 3 parts of your favorite olive oil in one of those little containers, and then 1 part of balsamic vinegar. Now, your spices you can add like I do, whatever I like. I happen to like ground pepper and a little bit of salt. And the basil can be fresh, or you can just buy it in a little spice jar and shake that up and put that in a bowl with some fresh ground garlic. Just stir it up and add it to that mixture, and you will be shocked at how good this little mixture is for your fresh vegetables, your salad, your marinade. And you can make it right at campsite. Nothing needs to be refrigerated. And so there you have another thing to make the road your friend. And be sure and hit that little like button and subscribe and maybe leave a comment, and we'll see you on down the road.